Hello, second grade. We're on lesson 155 for arithmetic. Look at letter A. 1 minus 2 equals, you cannot do 1 minus 2. You need to borrow. Can you borrow from a 0? No. Can you borrow from a 5? Yes. Make the 5 a 4. Make the 0 a 10. Now, you can borrow from the 10, make it a 9, and this 1 becomes a 11. 11 minus 2 equals 9. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 4 minus 7 equals. You cannot do 4 minus 7. Borrow from the 3, make it a 2. The 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1,719. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 4 minus 9 equals, cannot do that. You need to borrow. The 1 becomes a 0. The 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 9 equals 5. 0 minus nothing equals 0. 53. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 4 equals 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7,734. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 1 plus 7 plus 3 equals 11. 1 plus 5 plus 6 equals 12. 1 plus 8 plus 2 equals 11. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. 11,210. How do we find the perimeter for this rectangle? This says that this side is 9 feet long. We know it's not really 9 feet long, but it's labeled as 9 feet long. So how long would this side be 9 feet as well? This side is labeled as 7 feet long. So how long would this side be? 7 feet as well. How do we find the perimeter? We add all 4 sides. We could do 9 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7. Or we could do 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7. Let's do 9 plus 9 equals 18 feet. And 7 plus 7 equals 14 feet. Add them together. And now we have to add the ones. 8 ones plus 4 ones is 12 ones. Carry the 1 over here. And now we have a 10, another 10, and this addition of a 10. So how many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3. So that equals 32 feet. If you're unsure, you could always do it like this. 18 plus 14. 8 plus 4 is 12. 1, 1, and 1 equals 3. 32 feet. Because you want to be sure. All right, letter C. Listen. Dad bought snacks for the family at the snack shop. The snacks cost $8.11. Dad gave the clerk $10. How much change did Dad get back? What do we do when the story problem asks for how much change? Do we add, subtract, multiply, or divide? We subtract. The word change is a clue word for subtract. So the snacks cost $8.11. Dad gave the clerk $10. So we need to do $10 minus $8.11 to find out how much change should be received. 0 minus 1, we can't do that. We have to borrow from the neighbor. This neighbor is, we can't borrow from. We can't borrow from this neighbor. Borrow from this neighbor. This becomes a 10. Borrow from the 10, make it a 9. Now this becomes a 10. Borrow from this 10, it becomes a 9. Now we have 10 here. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 9 minus 8 equals 1. And here we have 0. We have $1.89 change. Go ahead and complete your classwork and seat work.